Good morning, crafters, and welcome. I have a fun, quick and easy Dollar Tree DIY for you today. In today's crafting adventure, we're going to be using one of these new wood blanks that Dollar Tree is carrying. I found them a couple weeks ago, and I've noticed that they're in pretty much all of my stores now. So hopefully you guys will be able to find this. I think they're awesome. So we're going to put this to good use and have some fun. I have my piece unwrapped and I have some white paint down, and I'm just using Apple Barrel's regular matte white. I want to get a nice coat of white paint on my base here. I got pretty good coverage with just one coat, so I'm going to let this dry and then we'll see if I need to put a second coat on or not. Now my paint is dry to the touch, so I'm going to move forward. You will need a kind of a gray pencil. You can use a regular pencil as well. And I want to add some slats. I like the width here of my bow maker, so I'm going to use this. Just simple and clean. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to wrap the handle up here, and I'm going to do that with some jute cord. So I'm going to start it here on the back. Put down a little bit of hot glue and start my end. And then I just want to slowly work my way and wrap it up. Okay, that's about as high as I want to go. So now I'm going to work my way back down. Once you get it wrapped the way you like it, then just glue down the other end in the back. Now I'm going to be using this adorable flexible stencil that I picked up from Dollar Tree. It is the perfect size for these. So you just need to determine where you would like to place your Be Kind. I like that. And then here on my palette, I have some of the Craft Wise chalkboard paint that you can pick up at Dollar Tree. And this time I'm going to try this brush. This brush you can also get from Dollar Tree. Actually, they carry both of these. And they are pouncing brushes, and they're specifically made to use with stencils. So dab in till you get the end of your brush nice and full, and then you want to pounce up and down. Now these stencils do not attach, so you're going to want to hold them down or tape them down so that they don't move, and then gently pounce up and down until you fill in the areas. Now if you're unable to find this stencil, Dollar Tree has a large variety of stencils and rub-on transfers that can be used in place of this stencil. So use whatever you have on hand or are able to find in your stores. The possibilities are endless. Okay, once you get it covered, you want to gently remove your stencil. Now I'm really happy with how the stencil came out. I think it's really adorable. But I think I want to add a little bit of distressing around the edges with the black. So I have my favorite dry brushing paintbrush here. Just get a little bit in there. And then I'm just going to work around the edges and just draw in just a little bit. For your convenience, in the description box below of all of my craft tutorials is a full materials list. This will tell you where I purchased the materials and how much you're going to need for the project. And then I'm just going to quickly go through just a little bit. Now you can see that gives just a little bit of distressing around the edges. I really do like that. I think that looks absolutely adorable. Now I want to make a cute little jute beaded bow to go on my piece here. So I strung on one bead and then I tied about 3 knots to make the knot large enough so that the bead won't slide out. And then I put that on my hand, past my hand, that's going to be one of the tails. And then I wrapped around about 4 times. Pull it together in the center there. Have another small piece and tie it off. Okay, then you want to string on a bead on the other side. And tie a couple knots so that it doesn't come off. Trim off the extra jute cord there from tying the center. And I'm going to hit that just with a dab of hot glue. I don't want it to come undone. And that's what the bow looks like. Isn't that adorable? Quick and easy. And then I think I'm going to put it a little bit towards the top, but not right at the top. And I'm just going to hot glue it into place. Okay, I'm going to cut another piece. Feed it through the hole, bring it together and tie a couple knots. Then I'm going to pull that knot to the back because I want it to stay in the back, and then I'm going to hot glue that down because I don't want it to move forward. And there you go, we're all done. I'm really happy with the end result. It was really quick and easy to put together. I'm so happy that Dollar Tree is getting in more and more items for you to craft with. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and show some love in the comments. This really does help support my channel. You have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.